everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kirby Raganet. I'm BS in Math 1B. Today I will going to learn to how to solve about median mode. Let's go.
At ito na guys, ang mean median mode. Ang ating mean guys is add up all the data point and then divide by the total number of numbers. Ito lang siya guys. Ang ating numbers dito is 4, 2, 8, 7, 5, 5, 3. And add all the number. Add lang natin to. 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 is equals to 34. And count how many number. Count lang natin ilan ang number natin. Ito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ito siya guys, 7. 34. Ito. 34 divides 7 is equal to 4.85. Ito yung lumabas. Ang our mean is, ang ating mean is 4.85. Ito na yung mean natin. And next is median. The median is the middle of the set of the number. So guys, 4, 2, 8, 7, 5, 5, 3. Ito lang pa rin. And arrange data in the numerical order. Arrange lang natin by numerical order. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7, 8. Dito lang yung kinuha. In-arrange lang. And the median is the middle values. Ano lang natin. Ang sino yung nasa gitna. Dahil 7 lang ating numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang ating middle values is 5. Dahil siya nasa gitna. Our median is 5 dahil yan. Yan ang ating middle, 5. Next is mode. At ito na yung mode natin guys. Mode. The mode is the most common number in a data set. 4, 2, 8, 7, 5, 5, 3 lang. And 4, 2, 8, 7, 5, 5, 3. Yan. And ang ating by pair nito guys is, hanapin natin ilan ang ating pair is dalawa lang. Itong 5. And ating pair is 5. And yan lang din ang ating mode, 5, dahil sila lang ang may kapareho, 5. And yun lang guys, sana makatulong.